Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best robot vacuum cleaner in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this robot vacuum cleaner, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Shark AV752 Ion Robot Vacuum with tri-brush system, Wi-Fi connected, 120 min runtime, works with Alexa, multi-surface cleaning, white 3 brush types. One powerful clean, tri-brush system combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to handle debris on all surfaces. Completely integrated in your home, Shark Ion Robot senses ledges and stairs, avoids damaging furniture and walls, and maneuvers around potential stuck situations, truly knowing your home clean from your phone. Shark Clean app lets you start and stop cleaning and schedule your robot to clean whenever you want. Easy voice control. Use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant.
Top 9.
Robotic 692 Robot Vacuum Wi-Fi connectivity, personalized cleaning recommendations, works with Alexa, good for pet hair, carpets, hard floors, self-charging, charcoal gray, clean smarter, sleek, premium design complements your home decor.
Top 8.
Roborock S5 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner, self-charging robotic vacuum, lighter navigation, selective room cleaning, no mop zones, 2000 pascals powerful suction, 180 mins runtime, works with Alexa customizable mopping, set the right water flow, even your preferred water flow for each room in your home, to get exactly the cleaning intensity you want. Effective cleaning every time, precision lighter navigation combined with adaptive route algorithms ensure your floor is cleaned thoroughly and efficiently every single time. Serious cleaning power, maximum suction power of 2000 pascals suction easily lifts dirt.
Top 7.
Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Tikkun G7000, 2700 pascals suction, gyroscope smart navigation, Wi-Fi, self-charging, boundary strips included, quiet, thin, works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, carpets, hard floors. This G7000 robotic vacuums is for your daily home clean. Gyroscope smart navigation. G7000 robot vacuum cleaner with mapping will clean your home more thoroughly following an efficient zigzag path when compared to random path robotic vacuums. 2700 PA super strong suction. The advanced 3-point cleaning system lifts embedded dust and hair with ease and delivers a perfect cleaning performance to medium pile carpet and hardwood floor. App and voice control. G7000 robot vacuum works with Alexa and Google.
Top 6.
Roborock S7 robot vacuum and mop cleaner with sonic mopping, auto empty and strong 2500 PA suction, multi-level mapping, plus app and voice. Control, white, winner of 17 Best of CES 2021 awards, including from Business Insider, Digital Trends, Newsweek, and How to Geek. Sonic vibration technology, scrubs at up to 3000 cycles per minute for more effective dry stain removal. Intelligent mop lifting, able to lift on low pile carpets, avoid dragging dirt across the floor, and more. Multi-directional floating brush, multiple planes of movement keep the brush closer.
Top 5.
Dreametech D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner, lighter navigation robot vacuum sweep and mop 2-in-1, 3000 pascals strong suction power, 150 min runtime, compatible with Alexa, smart mapping for carpet, hard floor. Lighter navigation. The advanced lighter navigation enables better accuracy, faster mapping, stronger performance in bypassing obstacles, and more efficient route planning. With SLAM navigation, the D9 learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, enabling it to clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. Powerful performance, 3000 pascals of intense.
Top 4.
Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Auto Robotic Vacuums, upgraded 6D collision sensor, 1800 PA Wi-Fi app. Alexa, self-charging, super quiet mini cleaning robot for pet hair, hard floor, low pile carpets, M201M upgraded free move technology 2.0. The robot vacuum has upgraded 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors that help the robot vacuum detect probable stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. Anti-dropping sensors prevent the robot vacuum cleaner from falling off the stairs. 4 clean modes cater to your needs. Smart vacuum robot cleaner supports
Top 3.
OKP Life K2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner 1800 mAh. Blue U. This K2 robotic vacuum cleaner is for your daily home clean. Why OKP K2 no suction? Please make sure the robot is in high running working mode. You could check out via app or press the plus button of the remote. Agrov 4 clean modes cater to your needs. Smart vacuum robot cleaner supports 4 clean modes including auto clean, spot clean, will follow clean, manual clean. Freely switch between different modes and power levels as you want via app. Long battery life and self-charge.
Top 2.
Eufy by Anker, BoostIQ RoboVac 11s, slim, robot vacuum cleaner, super thin, 1300 pascals strong suction, quiet, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner, cleans hard floors to medium pile carpets. Included in the best robot vacuums of 2019 by Tom's Guide. All new RoboVac, re-engineered to be the slimmest RoboVac, 2.85, but with quiet operation and increased suction power at 1300 pascals. BoostIQ technology automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. A quiet clean vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave.
Top 1.
Robot vacuum cleaner, Faurum's 2000 pascals suction camera mapping navigation AI smart sensor robotic vacuum cleaner, Boost Smarts, compatible with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, app controls, Wi-Fi self-charging, excellent intelligence equipped with an advanced chip and 33 sets of sensors. Faurum's robot vacuum through continuous training in the cleaning process, it will constantly optimize the algorithm of the robotic vacuum and always getting smarter. Powerful suction dual side brushes and an auto-adjust height main brush designed, combined with Lidar blower, provide the strong suction that easily cleans up dust, dirt, debris, and pet hair on the carpet and floor. Ideal for home with pets.
All of
Visual
the items
mapping
are
and
available
navigation
on
with advanced visual mapping
Amazon.com. I have
technology and
included all the
floor
link in the
tracking sensors. The
description.
robotic
You can
vacuum
check
cleaner
out the
cleans
link for
and
latest
maps your home
price.
in neat rows
Guys,
using
thank you
multiple
for
algorithm
watching.
systems
If you like
without
this
missing any
video,
spots
please
even in
hit
the
the link
dark.
button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.